change is inevitable. New technologies, evolving markets, and shifting customer demands constantly challenge organizations to adapt. But navigating change can be a treacherous journey, fraught with uncertainty and potential pitfalls. Introducing AI for change management. That's where artificial intelligence, or AI, steps in. It's your powerful new tool for anticipating and mitigating the impacts of change initiatives on your organization. How can an AI impact assessment help in change management? Moving beyond the fear of job displacement that's often associated with AI can be difficult. However, AI assessment tools offer a proactive approach to managing change, ensuring a successful human-AI collaboration. There are many ways AI can help a change manager. Here are a few. AI can help manage change. Traditional methods are reactive, but AI assessment tools offer a proactive approach to anticipating and mitigating change impacts. AI provides unbiased insights. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to identify potential risks and opportunities, reducing human bias and providing a more objective evaluation. Human expertise still matters. Humans define the problem, interpret AI outputs, communicate effectively, and make final decisions. AI empowers humans to navigate change with greater confidence. Is AI a friend or foe in the workplace? While automation might replace certain repetitive tasks, it's crucial to recognize AI as a potential collaborator, not just a competitor. AI assessment tools empower organizations to forecast the impact of change not just on jobs, but on the entire organizational ecosystem. Is AI assessment the key to managing change effectively? AI-powered tools analyze immense amounts of data, allowing for a more comprehensive understanding of the ripple effects of change. By incorporating AI into your impact assessment process, you unlock a wealth of benefits. Unbiased analysis. AI algorithms reduce human bias. Increased granularity. AI delves deeper, analyzing impacts on specific teams, departments, and even individual roles. Improved scenario planning. AI tools help assess the impact of different change scenarios through simulations and predictive modeling. Enhanced communication. AI-generated reports visualize complex data, leading to more effective communication with stakeholders. The future of change is powered by AI. By embracing a data-driven approach to impact assessment, organizations can navigate change with greater confidence. AI can illuminate potential challenges, uncover hidden opportunities, and ultimately pave the way for a smoother transition. However, successful change is also about having the right tools that work harmoniously with AI to maximize the most out of these modern approaches. OCMS Portal, a cloud-based change management platform, is designed to seamlessly work alongside your AI strategies, providing real-time insights to inform your direction. It also includes auto-generated engagement plans, built-in surveys, and much more. Find out more and get started with a free trial today at ocmsolution.com.